Hello everyone, now I'm going to present for this multimedia concept for the Project 2 Semester 1 2021-2022. For this project, I created a recycling campaign for all the students in UTHM. Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into new products. Recycling can benefit our community and the environment. In this case, the recycling campaign will be very helpful in terms of the comfort of each party, either outsiders or the students themselves. The title for this project is simple and easy to understand: Recycling Campaign in UTHM. As an animator, the 12 principles of animation are the most important methods to master. These principles are also used by me in this project. They are 1. Timing and spacing, the number of frames between two poses and how those individual frames are placed. 2. Squash and stretch, the flexibility of objects to exaggerate or add appeal to movement. 3. Anticipation, the setup for an action to happen. 4. Ease in and ease out, the time for acceleration and deceleration of movement. 5. Follow through and overlapping action, the idea that separate parts of the body will continue moving after a character or object comes to a full stop, and the idea that parts of the body will move at different times. 6. Arcs, the principle that smooths animation and moves action in a realistic way. 7. Exaggeration, the pushing of movement and further to add more appeal to an action. 8. Solid drawing, the accuracy of volume, weight, balance, and anatomy. 9. Appeal, the relatability or charisma of a character. 10. Straight ahead action and pose to pose, the spontaneous and a linear approach to creating an action using many in-between poses along with the main poses, and the more methodical approach to creating an action using only a few poses. 11. Secondary action, the actions that emphasize or support the main action of the animation. And lastly, 12. Staging, the setting up of the scene from placement of characters to the background and foreground elements to how the camera angle is set up, the lighting and shadows, and more. Based on everything that have been stated, I can conclude that this recycling campaign will significantly improve the student village's mood and environment. It will also help to reduce the amount of waste that is still usable on the earth to some level. Without realizing it, the consequences of implementing this project have taught many new lessons about the cooperation among students to achieve a large goal, such as finding used items from room to room, as well as throughout blocks and cafes. Following that, we also learn a lot about the necessity of recycling that always has been neglected by us human beings. I hope that the students engaged, as well as the general public, will be able to sustain the recycling habit in order to save our own planet Earth. That's all from me. Thank you.